Hi, I'm Ken Bianco with JCB. Every new JCB product is the result of a rigorous development process that includes the things you'd expect: in-depth market analysis, dealer feedback, keeping an eye on what the competition is doing, and listening to our customers. In North America, about 100,000 skid steer and compact track loaders are sold every year. And of those machines, twice as many compact track loaders are sold than wheeled skid steers. We introduced the JCB Teleskid in 2017, just as the market for larger compact track loaders over 2,600 pounds really heated up. It caught everyone's attention and has been in the headlines more and won more awards than any other compact machine on the market. The product reviews with social media influencers and customer stories has prompted more interest around the world. And our Book a Demo campaign is the most successful we've ever run. For you, our dealers, this has meant you've been able to offer an industry-exclusive machine that is in high demand. But you know, at JCB, we're never content, and the market doesn't stay constant for too long. Today, we're seeing growing demand for smaller compact track loaders in the 2,000 to 2,300 pound range, catching up with demand for the bigger machines. And that's why JCB is responding today. Allow me to introduce you to the latest JCB innovation that will help you keep your place out in front of the competition. Here it is, a brand new addition to the Teleskid product range, the small platform 2TS-7T compact track loader. The 2TS-7T compact track loader will first be made available to our North American dealer network and then rolled out to our global JCB dealers later in 2020. But before we rush ahead, let's go back a bit in time. It was 1993 when JCB innovation led to a revolution in skid steer safety. With the introduction of the power boom, JCB created the industry's first single-arm skid steer loader, leveraging decades of experience with telescopic handlers. Then, with the launch of the Teleskid in March 2017 at ConExpo, JCB did it again with the biggest innovation in the skid steer market in over 25 years. It revolutionized the entire skid steer category. It has since become the most awarded skid steer and possibly the most awarded construction machine in history. Customers love the Teleskid for its versatility. They've boosted productivity, saved valuable time, and improved their efficiency. Real customers tell us that the Teleskid helps them to do more, completing tasks quicker than what was possible with a conventional twin-arm machine. The 2TS small platform compact track loader delivers everything Teleskid operators love, but brings it to you in a smaller compact track loader chassis, making it more maneuverable and easier to transport from one job site to another. And it provides Teleskid capability to lift higher, reach further, and dig deeper in the fastest growing product segment, the 2,000 to 3,000 pound category. The new 2TS Teleskid offers the features and benefits of its big brother. It lifts higher than competing machines. It also reaches further than the competition. The 2TS's 7 feet of forward reach is at least 60% more than competing machines. And it digs deeper than the competition. Teleskids are the only skid steers and compact track loaders that can dig below grade. The 2TS can dig down to 2 feet. Being built on JCB's small platform chassis, however, enables some important differences from the 3TS model and other skid steers in its class. It weighs less than 10,000 pounds, so it's easily transportable to project sites without the need for a commercial driver's license. Its footprint is nearly 20% smaller than a 3TS, so it's great for smaller work sites and confined spaces, such as in barns, sheds, and gardens. It delivers 20% more breakout force than other machines its size. Counterweights are included as standard for increased rated operating capacity. And of course, JCB's side door access delivers the best convenience and safety. No more climbing over large or hazardous attachments or going under an unsupported boom. And today there's even more great news. JCB now has small platform 2TS compact track loaders available for you to order. You can also reference the JCB sales flash, and going forward we'll publish updates via JCB Connect. So what are you waiting for? Place your order for a new 2TS-7T compact track loader today.